Good morning, Olivia. You look very energetic today.
Good morning, Ethan. Yes, I feel really fresh today.
That's great. Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept early, so I feel relaxed.
What time did you wake up this morning?
I woke up at 6:30 a.m.
That's quite early. Is that your usual routine?
Yes, I like starting my day early.
What is the first thing you do after waking up?
I drink a glass of water and stretch a little.
That sounds like a healthy habit. What did you do next?
I went for a walk in the park.
How was the weather today?
The weather was cool and very pleasant.
Was the park crowded?
No, it was calm and peaceful.
What did you do after your walk?
I came home and prepared breakfast.
What did you make for breakfast?
I made toast, eggs, and coffee.
That sounds delicious. Do you always cook your own breakfast?
Yes, I enjoy cooking simple meals.
What did you do after breakfast?
I got ready and left for work.
Was your workday busy?
Yes, but it was productive.
What made your day productive?
I completed my important tasks on time.
That's wonderful. What did you do in the evening?
I came home, relaxed, and watched a movie.
Did you watch it alone?
Yes, and it was very enjoyable.
Sounds like you had a perfect day.
Yes, it was simple but very nice.
Simple days are often the best.
I completely agree with you.
Do you plan your routine every day?
Yes, planning helps me stay organized.
That is a very good habit.
It also reduces stress in my life.
I should try that too.
Yes, it can really help you.
Hey, Emma. How are you today?
Hi, Ryan. I'm doing great, thanks.
How was your day?
My day was quite busy, but good.
What did you do in the morning?
I went to work early today.
Why did you go early?
I had an important meeting.
Were you nervous about the meeting?
A little, but everything went well.
That's good to hear. What happened after that?
I answered emails and finished my reports.
That sounds like a lot of work.
Yes, it was a very active day.
Did you take any breaks?
Yes, I had a short lunch break.
What did you have for lunch?
I had a sandwich and juice.
Nice. What did you do after work?
I met a friend at a cafe.
That sounds relaxing. Did you enjoy it?
Yes, we had a great conversation.
What did you do in the evening?
I went home and rested.
Did you do anything else?
Yes, I read a book for a while.
That sounds like a balanced day.
Yes, it was busy but enjoyable.
I'm glad you had a good day.
Thank you, Ryan.
Hopefully tomorrow will be even better.
I hope so too.
Do you have any plans for tomorrow?
Yes, I have another busy schedule.
I hope everything goes well.
Thank you. I'll do my best.
That's the spirit.
Stay positive and keep working hard.
Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, it is free. You can sit here.
Thank you. I see you here every morning.
Yes, this place helps me think clearly.
That's interesting. What do you usually do here?
I read, reflect, and set my goals.
Goals? That sounds serious.
Not really. They're simple daily goals.
My life feels so unplanned and stressful.
I understand. I felt the same before.
Really? You seem very confident now.
Confidence comes with small improvements,
What kind of improvements helped you?
better habits, and a positive mindset.
I often want to change, but I feel stuck.
That happens when we overthink too much.
So what should I do instead?
Take action, even if it is a small step.
Can small actions really change a life?
Yes, small actions build strong routines.
I struggle with motivation every day.
Motivation grows when you see progress.
What if I fail or lose consistency?
Failure is part of growth, not the end.
That makes sense. Where should I begin?
Start with something easy and realistic.
Like waking up earlier?
Yes, or even managing your time better.
I waste a lot of time on my phone.
That is a very common problem today.
How do you stay disciplined?
I remind myself of my long-term goals.
That sounds like a strong strategy.
It keeps me focused and motivated.
I like your way of thinking.
Positive thinking can reshape your life.
Thank you, Sophia. This is inspiring.
I'm glad our conversation helped you.
I feel more hopeful and confident now.
That is the first step toward change.
I will start improving today.
Great. Every small effort counts.
Sometimes I feel afraid of change.
Change can be scary, but it is necessary.
What if people do not support me?
Believe in yourself even without support.
That is difficult but important advice.
Strong people build their own motivation.
How long does real change take?
It depends on your effort and patience.
So patience is also a key factor.
Yes, patience and consistency are powerful.
I think I understand now.
Understanding is good, but action is better.
You are right. I will take action.
That mindset will take you far.
Thank you for this meaningful talk.
You're welcome. I wish you success.
This conversation gave me new energy.
I'm happy to hear that.
Excuse me, is this the reception desk?
Yes, it is. How may I help you?
I have a reservation under the name Nathan Brooks.
Let me check that for you, sir.
Sure, thank you.
Yes, I found your booking. Everything is correct.
That's great. I'm happy to hear that.
May I see your ID, please?
Of course, here it is.
Thank you. Everything looks good.
Can you tell me my room number?
Yes, your room is 315 on the 3rd floor.
Perfect. Is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is included every morning.
What time is breakfast served?
It is served from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the dining area.
That sounds good. Is Wi-Fi available in the rooms?
Yes, free Wi-Fi is available in all rooms.
Wonderful. Do you have a gym in the hotel?
Yes, the gym is on the 1st floor and open all day.
Thank you. Can I request a wake-up call?
Certainly. What time would you like, sir?
Please call me at 6:30 a.m. tomorrow.
No problem. I've scheduled it for you.
That's very helpful. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. It's my pleasure.
Is there a restaurant in the hotel?
Yes, we have a restaurant near the lobby.
What kind of food do you serve there?
We serve both local American dishes and international meals.
That sounds delicious. Do you have vegetarian options?
Yes, we have many vegetarian dishes on the menu.
Great. Can I order room service if I want?
Yes, room service is available 24/7.
That's very convenient. How about laundry service?
Laundry service is available too. Just leave your clothes at reception.
Perfect. Is there parking available?
Yes, free parking is available for all guests.
Thank you for all this information.
You're welcome. I hope you enjoy your stay.
I'm sure I will. This hotel seems very comfortable.
We are happy to hear that. Enjoy your stay, Mr. Brooks.
I will. Thank you again for your help.
It's my pleasure, sir. Have a wonderful day.
Excuse me, Emma. Can I ask you something?
Sure, Liam. What is it?
I want to understand some American rules and laws.
Okay, what do you want to know first?
For example, how does voting work here?
Every citizen above 18 can vote in elections. You need to register first.
Oh, so registration is important?
Yes, without it, you cannot vote.
What about driving?
You must have a driver's license to drive a car legally.
How old should someone be to drive?
Usually 16 years old, but it can vary by state.
Are there rules for teenagers too?
Yes, like school attendance and curfew laws in some cities.
What about working?
People under 18 have restrictions. They cannot work too many hours.
That makes sense. Are there rules about health too?
Yes, there are rules for doctors, hospitals, and vaccinations.
Wow. The government takes care of a lot of things.
Exactly. There are also traffic rules, safety rules, and tax rules.
Taxes? How do they work?
Adults must pay taxes on income to support public services.
What if someone breaks the law?
They can get a warning, fine, or even go to court.
That sounds serious.
Yes, but rules are meant to keep everyone safe.
Are there rules for public places too?
Yes, like no smoking in certain areas and wearing seatbelts in cars.
What about schools?
Students must follow school rules like attendance, homework, and behavior.
So rules are everywhere in life.
Exactly. Rules help people live together peacefully.
I want to follow all rules carefully.
That's very smart, Liam. Respecting rules is important.
Are there rules about the environment too?
Yes, like recycling, protecting parks, and not littering.
That's really interesting. I didn't know rules cover so many areas.
Yes, it helps the country work smoothly and safely.
Thank you, Emma. I learned a lot today.
You're welcome, Liam. Rules are important for everyone.
I will try to follow all the rules from now on.
That's a great idea. It will make life easier and safer.
I feel more responsible now.
Good. Being responsible is a part of being a good citizen.